Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to delete a guest user account on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Windows Start button and select Settings. You want to select the accounts on the left side, and then on the right side, select Family and Other Users. You can search for this as well through the search icon. And on the right side, underneath Other Users, we have a user account called Whatever, and we're going to go expand that and then select Remove. It's going to say Delete Account and Data. Deleting this person's account will remove all their data from this PC, including items on their desktop, downloads, documents, photos, music, and other files. If this data hasn't been backed up or saved to another location, such as another PC, it will be lost. So again, make sure you back everything up if there was anything of value on there, and then select Delete Account and Data, and that's about it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.